Welcome to our Business Entrepreneurship Crash Course for MBA, where we will explore the ins and outs of business model generation. Today, we will cover the basics, key components, types, and real-world examples to give you a comprehensive understanding. Let's get started. All right, for the slide outline, we'll cover the introduction to business model generation, key components of a business model, types of business models, tools and techniques for business model innovation, case studies and examples, and wrap up with a conclusion and next steps. Let's dive in. Customer segments are the different groups of people or organizations that a business targets with its products or services. Understanding and identifying these segments allows businesses to tailor their offerings and marketing strategies to meet the specific needs of each group, such as individual consumers, small businesses, and large corporations. Customer segments are crucial for businesses as they represent the different groups of people or organizations that a business targets with its products or services. By identifying and understanding these segments, businesses can tailor their offerings and marketing strategies to meet the specific needs and preferences of each group. This allows companies to create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction, loyalty, and driving growth and profitability. For example, a fitness app may target different customer segments such as beginners, intermediate, and advanced users, each with specific workout plans and features tailored to their fitness level. Customer segmentation is a fundamental aspect of business strategy that enables companies to better understand their target audience and deliver products and services that meet their unique needs. In this slide, we delve into specific examples of customer segments in various industries. For instance, a clothing retailer may cater to young adults, working professionals, and seniors, each with unique preferences and buying behaviors. By understanding these segments, the retailer can tailor its marketing strategies and product offerings accordingly. Similarly, a software company may target small businesses, large corporations, and government agencies, each with distinct needs for software solutions. By catering to these specific segments, the company can expand its market share and revenue. Lastly, an online streaming service may segment its customers into movie enthusiasts, TV series binge watchers, and documentary lovers. By offering personalized content recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns, the streaming service can enhance user engagement and attract new subscribers based on their viewing preferences. These examples highlight the importance of identifying and catering to different customer segments to drive business success. All right, class. Today we're diving into the world of channels in business model generation. Channels are essentially the different ways a business interacts with its customers. This can include how products are distributed, how communication happens, and how sales are made. Think of it as the pathways that connect your business to your customers, whether it's through social media, online platforms, or traditional retail outlets. Let's explore how choosing the right channels can make a big difference in reaching your target audience and driving success in your business. Channels in a business are like the lifelines that connect the company to its customers. They encompass distribution channels, communication channels, and sales channels, all of which play a vital role in how products or services are delivered, marketed, and sold. Distribution channels outline how products reach customers, whether through direct sales, online platforms, or partnerships. Communication channels are essential for engaging with customers through advertising, social media, and customer service. Sales channels, on the other hand, are the avenues through which customers can make purchases, such as online platforms, physical stores, or mobile apps. Take Amazon, for example, which utilizes a mix of distribution channels like its online platform and third-party sellers, communication channels like email marketing and social media, and sales channels like its website and physical stores. When crafting a business model, it's crucial to strategize the right channels that align with the company's products and target market. By leveraging distribution, communication, and sales channels effectively, businesses can boost customer engagement and drive growth. In this slide, we delve into specific examples of channels that businesses can leverage to reach their target audience effectively. Online platforms like websites and social media play a crucial role in expanding a company's reach and engaging with customers. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook offer opportunities to showcase products, interact with customers, and drive online sales through website traffic. On the other hand, traditional channels like physical stores, direct sales teams, and third-party retailers cater to customers who prefer in-person interactions. Having a physical store allows customers to physically engage with products, fostering trust and loyalty. Additionally, email marketing, webinars, and online customer support are valuable tools for communication and providing information. Email campaigns can be personalized for specific customer segments. Webinars educate customers about products, and online support enhances the customer experience by addressing concerns in real time. These examples highlight the diverse channels available for businesses to connect with their audience and drive growth. Customer relationships are the backbone of any successful business. It's all about how well you connect with your customers, keep them coming back, and get them to spread the word about your business. It's like the secret sauce that keeps your business thriving in the long run. Building strong customer relationships is crucial for businesses as it can result in increased loyalty, repeat business, and positive word-of-mouth referrals. For instance, companies that prioritize customer relationships by offering excellent customer service and personalized experiences are more likely to retain customers in the long run. This leads to customers choosing to do business with the company again and recommending it to others, ultimately driving growth and success. In today's competitive business landscape, maintaining positive customer relationships is vital for sustainable growth and profitability. Businesses that focus on understanding their customers' needs and preferences and actively engage with them to address any concerns or feedback are better positioned to create a loyal customer base. By investing in building and nurturing customer relationships, businesses can not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also differentiate themselves from competitors, ultimately gaining a sustainable competitive advantage and achieving long-term success in the market. In this slide, we delve deeper into examples of customer relationships that businesses can cultivate to enhance their interactions with customers. Personalized communication and excellent customer service are key aspects where companies tailor their communication to meet customer preferences and provide timely assistance. Loyalty programs and feedback mechanisms play a crucial role in understanding and addressing customer needs by rewarding repeat business and gathering insights for improvement. Additionally, community building through social media engagement and customer forums fosters a sense of belonging among customers, strengthening relationships and building brand loyalty. These examples showcase practical ways in which businesses can effectively engage with their customers to create lasting and meaningful relationships. In the world of business, key resources are like the building blocks that hold everything together. They can be anything from physical equipment to skilled employees, all working in harmony to help a business thrive and grow. Without the right mix of key resources, a business may struggle to function effectively and reach its full potential. In this slide, we delve into specific examples of key resources that are essential for different types of businesses. For a production company, having a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is crucial as it enables efficient and high-quality production processes, giving them a competitive edge in the market. Similarly, a tech startup relies on a team of experienced software developers to create innovative products that can disrupt the market and attract customers. Exclusive distribution rights are valuable for a retail business, allowing them to control how their products are distributed and create a sense of exclusivity among consumers. Lastly, patents and trademarks are vital for a pharmaceutical company as they provide legal protection for their intellectual property, preventing competitors from copying their products and building trust with customers. These examples highlight the importance of key resources in different industries and how they contribute to a company's success. Key activities are the backbone of any business, representing the specific tasks and actions necessary to deliver value and generate revenue. They are crucial for success, directly impacting a business's ability to create and deliver value to customers. For instance, a software company's key activities may include software development, customer support, and marketing efforts to attract potential clients. Key activities are the backbone of a business model, playing a critical role in delivering value to customers and generating revenue. These specific tasks and actions are essential for a business's success, directly impacting its ability to meet customer expectations and maintain quality standards. For example, a software company may focus on software development, customer support, and marketing, while a manufacturing company's key activities could involve production, quality control, and distribution. By prioritizing and optimizing key activities, businesses can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Take Amazon, for instance, whose key activities in logistics and fulfillment operations have allowed them to offer fast and reliable delivery services, setting them apart from competitors. Ultimately, the effective execution of key activities is crucial for a business to thrive and grow. In this slide, we delve into the examples of key activities that are crucial for businesses to thrive. Product development, marketing and sales, customer service, supply chain management, and research and development are all essential components that contribute to the success of a business. For a software company, key activities include software development, quality assurance, and customer support, ensuring that the software meets quality standards and users receive necessary assistance. On the other hand, for a restaurant, key activities involve menu planning to attract customers, food preparation to ensure meals are cooked properly, and customer service to provide a pleasant dining experience. These examples highlight the diverse range of activities that businesses engage in to meet customer needs, drive sales, and stay competitive in the market. In this summary, we have covered the essential elements of business model generation, including customer segments, channels, customer relationships, key resources, and key activities. These components are vital for creating a strong and effective business model that can drive success and growth in the entrepreneurial world. In this chapter, we delved into the basics of business model generation, focusing on customer segments, channels, customer relationships, key resources, and key activities. Understanding these elements is crucial for developing a thriving business model. Thank you for your attention. Any questions?